Hey guys, it's Jake. I am very excited right now. As you can see, I said I was well, actually no, I was originally not going to get my Christmas present until Christmas, of course, but my parents decided to let me have it early, and for tomorrow because I'm going plant spotting tomorrow, and so here it is, guys. It's the Panasonic, my new camcorder, HDC-TM90. It's a 1080p, 1920 by 1080p. It's 3D capability or compatible. 16 gigabyte built-in memory, and yeah. So I'm gonna unbox it. All right, guys, got that open. Now get that flat. This. Alright, first things first, you got the CD. The HD Writer AE 3.0. This is just for if you want to crop some videos or do some little adjustments to it. But I probably won't be using that. I got Sony Vegas Pro 10, so I use that to edit my videos. And here's some manuals. Panasonic. Get those later. Right. I have no clue what this is. You just hook it up. I think you hook it up to your camcorder if you want to attach a mic or something like that. But there's that. Extra cables. Cables to hook up to the TV and stuff like that, which I probably won't be using either. Got the USB to hook up to your computer. There's that. I do not know what this is. I have no clue what this is. Probably some charging unit, but I'll find out later. The charger right here. Here's the charger, yeah. There's that. Alright. And now, oh, here's a stylus slash pointer. I really don't know why you would need that for the LCD touchscreen, but oh well. And the main attraction for this unboxing, which is right here. Ooh, nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. There we go, guys. We're waiting for this. Let's get the box out of the way. Ooh, here it is. HDC TM90 by Panasonic. TM90 full HD 5.0 megapixels, 1920 by 1080p progressive. Oh my gosh, this is really nice, guys. Oh, here's this LCD. Not sure if you can see that. Let's turn the light on. If I can get it on. 1 second, guys. Right here. Can't find it. Oh well. Okay. Not sure if you can see this, but that says manual right there. Not sure what that's for. OIS, optical image stabilization. This is if you want to record in 1080 or 60p. You got your mic input, EV multi-port, and HDMI, high definition media. Here's to hook it up to your computer, and here's a power button right there if you want to manually turn it on. I'll try to get that off. Just like I still gotta look at this more. Once I look at this more, I'll give you guys a better review. But yeah. So that's basically it. Oh yeah, this says 40 times zoom right there. So, well, there it is, guys. All its glory, the Panasonic HDC-TM90. Thanks for watching, and look forward to more spawning vids. So I'll see you later. Bye.